Real advice for dealing with acid reflux problems. You have to take control of your life. There is no one out there who can help you if you can't help yourself. This means you have to become educated on your condition and how to make it tolerable. Start with this video and all of its tips on controlling acid reflux. If you have acid reflux disease, you may want to consider using proton pump inhibitors, or PPIs. This is a medication prescribed your doctor and is used to stop stomach acid from getting into your intestines and stomach. Obviously, if there is no acid in your stomach, it cannot come up through the esophagus either. When eating, never lie down. It is important that you sit in a sturdy chair with good posture. Allow your stomach to be decompressed and your esophagus to be fully extended. As you eat, enjoy every bite of your food so that you eat slowly and chew fully, then you may avoid acid reflux afterward. Enjoy your food. If you savor each bite, investigating the flavors and truly allowing yourself to taste it, you will chew more and even eat less. Your stomach will realize it's full when you eat slowly, which allows you to keep your weight in check by eating less and also keep your stomach from overfilling. Did you know that losing weight can help tame the symptoms of GERD? There is scientific proof that having too much body fat leads to the release of chemicals which cause digestion not to function correctly. This can lead to acid reflux and its resulting suffering. Shed the pounds and feel better. Now that you have this knowledge, you must use it. You have to start changing your lifestyle to help you cope with your condition. You need to take life by the reins and guide it where you want it to go. What you must do most of all is start the changes today. I cured my acid reflux. A lifelong sufferer discovers a powerful secret to heartburn freedom. To learn how I did it, visit heartburnhacks.com. Would you like to eliminate heartburn pain within 2 days? Doctors and drug companies hate this. Visit heartburnhacks.com. Would you like to learn about the only, clinically proven, step-by-step, acid reflux system? Visit heartburnhacks.com to learn this, and so much more. Link in the description.